Welcome back again Bitcoin World Crypto channel. New project I'm sharing with you. Its name is Squid Coin. Decentralized token like a child's play. A decentralized meme token that lives on the Binance Smart Chain. Project based on Binance Smart Chain. When you click on overview, you can know about its purpose. Real world challenges. Enjoy real life challenges in major cities around the world. Squid Coin will host challenges in major cities around the world where players will be able to win real cash prizes. $20,000 hidden in Central Park, $15,000 scattered across London. Squid Coin will host existing challenges in multiple major cities all around the world in Q1 and Q2 2020. The first challenge will be hosted in London in mid-November 2021. Follow us to stay up to date. You can also click learn more and can know all detail about it. And this is exciting and fun challenges with real cash prize. And this is roadmap detail implementation current stage Q4 2021 coin launch PancakeSwap listing initial marketing partnership program. How you can buy this token? This is the quick guide. First create wallet MetaMask, then connect with PancakeSwap and then buy and hold Squid Coin into your wallet. And these are their social links to follow for further updates. Available on the following digital assets exchanges and services: decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, decentralized exchanges, desk, buy and swap hundreds of trading pairs. And when you click on centralized exchanges, you can buy HitBTC. HitBTC is a large centralized exchange that allows users to trade more than 800 currencies pair. Q4 2021 is coming soon, and this is the email. You can connect them via email. And these are the social link, and this is the Binance Smart Chain. You can visit and can watch their contract address. This is the contract address of Squid Coin, and this is total supply. Holders are 293 addresses and transfer 3611. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like. Thanks for watching.